Voicemail. Set up voicemail. To set up voicemail, from the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the Apps tray. Scroll to and select the Visual Voicemail app. Select Next. Select Activate Visual Voicemail. If you're a new customer and have not established a voicemail box, you'll be prompted to choose a new password and greeting. Access and check voicemail. When you receive a new voicemail, the voicemail icon will be displayed in the notification bar. You can also access and check your voicemail by selecting and holding the 1 key from the dial pad. From the Visual Voicemail app, select the desired voicemail message. Select the play icon to play the message. Select the pause icon to pause. To delete a message, select the delete icon. Select delete to confirm. Change voicemail password. To change your voicemail password, from the Visual Voicemail app, select the menu icon, then select Settings. Select Change Password. Enter the new password, enter the password again to confirm, then select Continue. You can also access your voicemail to change your password by selecting and holding the 1 key from the dial pad and following the prompts. However, you must know your current voicemail password. If you have forgotten your existing voicemail password, you will not be able to access your voicemail until you reset your voicemail password. To reset your voicemail password, go to att.com/resetvm. Voicemail settings. To access voicemail settings, from the Visual Voicemail app, select the menu icon. Select Settings. Edit the settings as desired.